everybody's doing well. It's the week of May 17th to the 21st, right? So here's the watch list. It's Sunday now. You might not see this until Monday morning, but here's my watch list for the week. So Affirm, I'm putting Affirm on my watch list, right? Here's how I would trade it. So there's my price target, about $79, right? It's currently at 54 now. All right, it's just been trending downward. I think this MACD over here is starting to cross, getting ready to cross. All right, so could try to jump the gun early on that, but the MACD starting to cross, right? Or if you just want to buy and hold, cool beans, but definitely some room for some gains, man. 45%, 44, 45% there. All right, we're bouncing off of a low RSI. You see here, right? The RSI went low, and then it kept falling a little bit. It bounced here on Friday. You start to see a lot of stocks bounce on Friday. So maybe my first target, $80, 45% return here on Affirm. All right, moving on. Rocket Mortgage. Man, oh man. Rocket Mortgage is an interesting one. So it's trading sideways, building a base here. Histogram starting to tick upward, right? So just want to start buying in, and then let's say $25, my first price target, right? So I'm just gonna start buying in, hold it till it gets to 25. This is actually something that you might want to consider buying some shares to trade and some shares just to hold. You see the RSI is cold, right? That's an extreme RSI. Look what happens up here when the RSI was extreme. It just fell, right? You could be trading this extreme to extreme. All right, I think they're one of the biggest lenders in the country. Got 50%, 52% return. It's possible for a 52% return right here. All right, Rocket Mortgage. Keep this on your list. Keep this on your watch list. Next, you got Alibaba. It just seems everything's on the floor, as you can tell. The stock market has been ugly, and if we catch this bounce that I think we're gonna catch, there's a lot of money to be made, man. So look at that. Their RSI went cold. So what you got over here. Now we're just gonna try to catch it off this bounce, right? And then we want to see it probably here, the 235 range, right? Maybe even 240, about right there. All right, and then ultimately we want to see it up here, back at the all-time highs, right? 270, 275. I like to see it around there, man. Alibaba, pretty cool company. I've been using them for a long time. All right. Look at that. All right. 29, 30% return. Once it's that first target. All right. So then moving along. Etsy. All right. So Etsy's here trading sideways after a sell-off. It gapped down. All right, so you guys see this gap down right here? These gaps always fill. It just takes time, right? It might happen next week. It might happen in a month. But this gap right here is always going to fill. Gap ups fill. Gaps down. Gap down fills. Right, so this is a gap coming down. All right, so you got Etsy trading sideways, right? You got the histogram ticking up. Shot this MACD cross. The RSI was hot here recently, right? And then you just, here you go, previous high, first price target, second price target. All right, and then when you really feel like that guy, and, think you can you can hold on to this, right? If you think you can hold on to this long enough, then 240. All right, so this is a play I'll actually just buy and hold, man. I'll just hold Etsy. All right, it's just 4 minutes base trading sideways. All right, so Etsy I like. Cool. You can get some good gains here just swinging this. And you guys, like when I put these out, you should also go look and see them on hourly charts because you might be able to catch some option plays off of them. So boom, we got 30% to the first target, 41% to the second target, 50% target, 50% gain to the third target. All right, and then something that I would just personally just add some shares there. Don't worry about trading too much. With Etsy, I would just be adding shares. And then NVDa, good old NVDa. All right. All right. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, you get the histogram starting to make a run for it. Hopefully, this MACD crosses soon. You have already seen it bottom out, and now it's starting to bounce off this bottom right here. All right. Ideally, you like to see NVIDIA go straight back to 620, but that might take a while, man. That might take a while. So it's not my favorite trade on the list, but it's definitely a possibility. All right. Companies like this, I want you to pay attention to the MACD crossing, right? Look what happens when the MACD crossed on this day. Price fell. Look what happens when the MACD crossed on this day. Price rises. You see the histogram start ticking up there. You see the bars, they start ticking up there. Look what's going on with the price. When the histogram starts ticking down, look what's going on with the price. Up with the price, right? So it's something that I want everybody to learn more of, and we'll do more training on it. But about the histogram, about the MACD, right? On top of your RSI, on top of your moving averages. All right, and then so buying here at 569, right? Getting up to 620. See what type of return we got. Not really worth it, right? Not really worth it at all. So, but like I said, you might be able to catch like a 580 call for this upcoming week sometime during this week. If NVIDIA holds strong, you might be able to get you a 580 call in, instead of trying to swing trade it. And then last but not least, we got pins. We got Pinterest. Pinterest is looking very good, right? For people like me who want to go against the grain, who want to shop for things that people don't want, this is what I want, right? You got a sub $60 Pinterest. You got a cold RSI. You got a gap down here. This is just beautiful. And you have a lot of space and opportunity. All right. You're such a price target here at $85, like from $60 to $85, or from $58 to $85. That's a significant amount of money, right? That's a significant return. The only thing you're gonna have to do is wait it out, right? 47%. You just have to wait it out. So running back through them for sure. I like Pinterest a lot, right? I like Pinterest a lot. For quick calls, you could probably go. You probably just do like a 62 call, 60 or $62 call, expiring on Friday. But if you get those expiration dates out that quickly, you're gonna have to watch the market, you know. But if you're just gonna swing trade shares, or you're just gonna buy and hold, all you need to know is when to buy. All right. So I really like pins, and I really like Rocket Mortgage. Really like Rocket Mortgage. Affirm, I really like them too. So we're gonna do some chopping. We're gonna do some chopping this week, and you don't have to spend all your money at once, and you don't have to spend all, your money on the same day on the same company. Like, you could break some stuff up, all right. And then I like, let's see, right? Etsy and Pin have a similar chart. All right. I like Pins. I like Etsy. I like Rocket Mortgage. I like Affirm. Yep. All right. There we go, man. There goes my watch list, y'all. Enjoy. Have fun. Mind you, this is just my watch list. So these are just things that I'm watching. I might buy a few of them. I might not, depending on how the market, reacts in the morning. So just the watch list, I would highly suggest everybody else come with their own. Every Sunday sit down and make a watch list. Have an idea of what's going on, what's selling off, what's looking like it's ready to boom, what's on a hot RSI or a cold RSI. Like, I want you to start painting the picture in your own head. All right, y'all. Catch you guys in the